How to enable mirror mode on Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily enable mirror mode on Google Meet. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Meet app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Settings. And after that, you will be prompted to the Settings section. Now here, under the Settings section, at the bottom, you can see the option labeled as Calling. So simply tap on that. And after that, on the new section, you can see the option labeled as In Call Settings. So simply tap on that. And now here, under the In Call Settings section, there you can see the option labeled as Mirror Mode. So simply toggle on that option. And that's it. Now you have successfully enabled Mirror Mode on Google Meet. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.